Hi everybody. I hope you're all well. I've come on today to speak to you about your credit file. So, how important is your credit file when getting a mortgage? Well, the simple answer to that is very important. So, you really need to keep an eye on your credit file throughout your lifetime, really. However, it is really important to make sure that you keep an eye on your credit file when you are looking to take out things like a mortgage or credit at all, like car finance, even things like credit cards, loans, and things like that, because there can be elements on that that really make a difference for you to be able to get the credit and also be able to find out how much credit or loans that you can actually get. So, the key things about your credit file is that it is a history of your life. So any previous addresses that you've lived at, any credit cards you've had, loans, car finance, utility bills, mobile phones, all of them sort of things, mortgages, and they track month by month that you have kept up payments on all of them things. Now, ironically, the more credit that you have, as long as it is well managed, then that means that it's paid off every single month on time, even if it's the minimum payment, then that is really good for your credit file. Purely because lenders can see that you are good to loan money to and you are good at paying it back. Now, you may come across a few issues if you don't have much on your credit file because you've got no historic research for them to pull information from to find out whether you are good to lend the money. But it's not the end of the world. It's better to have a fair to good credit file with not much debt on it rather than a bad credit file. Now, saying that, bad credit files, yes, aren't fantastic when it comes to getting things like mortgages and loans, but there are options out there, so it isn't the end of the world. Life happens, things happen, utility bills get missed, sometimes no fault of the client, and mistakes happen in life in general. So there are some lenders out there that do factor that in. And with regards to a mortgage, it's very important that you make sure your credit file is up to date. There's various different websites that you can look for free to check your credit file, and we'll put that in the link below. However, you really need to speak to your broker or us to make sure that if you are looking to take out a mortgage and you do have some blips on your credit file, then you speak to them first, purely because you don't want to be going to apply for mortgages with banks, especially high street banks, not all but most, whereas they are not too keen to lend on mortgages for clients that have got blips on their credit files. When I say blips, there's loads of different factors: late payments, missed payments, utility bills, mobile phones, even existing mortgage payments. But it's important that you have a look at your credit file, check it, and speak to a professional to make sure that if you want to apply for a mortgage, that you're going with the right lender and you do it right first time rather than applying to various different ones. The reason why I say that is purely because the more times that you apply for a mortgage, and if they do a hard credit search on your file and it's a decline, it makes your credit file score worse. That's what we don't want. We want to make it better. So, any questions, please comment below. We love hearing from you. Credit files can be quite a complex case, tailored to each individual, so always ask the questions, visit our website, and as always, we love for you to follow us weekly for our videos. Click on the link and subscribe to us. It's completely free, it doesn't cost you anything. You just follow us and see our weekly updates. Hope that's helped. Speak to you soon.